Okay, let's freeze some bananas to make some banana bread in the future. CO2, that's the key. If you want to preserve your bananas without them turning dark brown or black, this is what you need. You can use CO2, you can use nitrogen. Today I have CO2. Bear in mind, that will make these bananas carbonated, okay? The carbonated bananas may not be something you want to eat, but you can freeze these bananas for future use making banana bread. The CO2 will all cook right out of it. This will look very nice when you open it 6 weeks from now after having been frozen. You can do the same thing with potatoes that you grate for making hash browns. Those will turn brown in a bag with air inside the bag, literally overnight in the freezer. But if you'll cover them, exhaust all of the air out of the head space of the container and replace it all with pure nitrogen or pure CO2, you can keep your fresh fruits and vegetables looking fresh. Now, some of these don't look so fresh. As you can see, there are spots on them, but there is certainly nothing wrong with that for making banana bread. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If you like it, share it with some other folks.